Welcome to lesson 19 of algebraic concepts. Addition and subtraction equations with decimals. So now we're going to introduce decimals into our equations. So objective, we had the same vocabulary as before, same rules and notes. So now, look at what's being done to your variable, and we're going to do the opposite. So we're going to subtract 132.5 from both sides. Subtract 132.5 from both sides. Now x equals, and then now we subtract. So x equals 132.5. And same signs add. So we got 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. This becomes a 0. We're no longer going to write the 0. 7 plus 2 plus 1 is 10. 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 10. Negative 500. And there we go. So we subtract it from both sides. Since both of these had the same signs, we add. Same signs add, different signs subtract. If you forget that, please go back and watch the adding integers videos from numbers and operations. Okay, so we're looking at our variable. We do the opposite. So we're going to add 4.86 to both sides. 4.86. They cancel out. Rewrite everything neatly. So we have b equals, now we add 6 plus 6 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. 6.22 is our answer. Okay, those are our examples for this lesson. I will see you at the end of the video for the recap. Okay, so let's see what we have. So what I would suggest that you see, when you see a plus and a minus, I would suggest that you rewrite it so you don't get yourself confused. It's 54. We're going to add 14.2 to both sides because we see that it became negative. A plus and a minus becomes negative when they're together. So 68.2 equals b after adding. So b equals 68.2. And for right now, it really doesn't matter what side your letter is on. It it will make a difference once we get into functions, but for right now, it won't. And when we get to inequalities, graphing inequalities will make a difference. But do not worry about what side your letter is on or your variable is on at this moment. And I just made the B capital so it looks better. I know that's kind of sloppy, but let's erase it and make a better B. Let's erase it, and we're going to make a better B. So I'll make a capital B so you don't think that it's equal to 6. Okay, now, here we go. We got 5.13 and negative 0.049. So we have to combine both of these. And remember, your sign goes with your number or letter. So this is a negative x because the sign goes with the x. Okay, 513 is no sign, so this is positive. This is negative. Different sign, subtract. So 513 minus 49 gives us 13 minus 9 is 4. 15 minus 4 is 46. 0.464. So you got 0.464 minus x equals 17.6. So what I'm going to do is subtract 0.464 from both sides. 0.464. Now, this is the thing about decimals. When you're on the right side of a decimal, you can always add zeros. And so that makes it easier. So 600 minus 464 is 6, because I borrowed. 9 minus 6 is 3. 1, 17 equals negative x. But look at this. We got negative x. You cannot have a negative variable as an answer. So what we're going to do is add x to both sides so they cancel out. So you're left with 17.136 plus x equals 0. And we had to subtract 17.136 from both sides. So x equals negative 17.136. And that is our answer. So if you were to stick 17.136 negative, you remember you got to substitute using parentheses. In here, you should get 17.6 back. So that's our video for this lesson. If you like what you saw, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will catch you on the next video. And these are a series, so I hope you stick around and watch the entirety of the series. But this is a big series, so if I would suggest you not try to watch more than 4 or 5 of these videos at a time.